Hello everyone, in today's video I will guide you how to split laptop screen on Windows for multitasking. In this video, we will cover a few window snapping variations. Method 1. Two window screen. To start split screening, click and hold on the title bar of the window to snap. Drag it to the left or right edge until your mouse cursor disappears. When the window stops moving and flashes an outline of the window, you can release the cursor. The window is now pinned to the top of the screen. On the left side of the screen, collection of other active windows will appear. Click on any of your active windows to snap them into that half of the screen. Window plus arrow. A handy keyboard shortcut for the two-window process is the Windows and arrow combo. With the window active, click the Windows button along with either the left or right key. This will automatically take that half of the screen. Repeat that process with another window on the opposite side, or click one of the options that appears. Method 2. 3 or 4 window screens. You can do 3 or even 4 snapped windows by dragging into the corners. First, take a window and drag via the little bar like before and bring it to a corner of the screen. As this window is now snapped to a corner, you can take another window to fill the space below. The down left will present options to fill the remaining slot as a larger third window. If you would like to add a fourth window, take that window and drag it into the corner like earlier. So this was all about how to split laptop screen for multitasking. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching.